Let me put you on the best TikTok find, this new vacuum. It's a Dyson inspired. It comes with 3 different attachments: the regular vacuum, the duster, brush for your couch or whatever. I'm going to show you this in a second. And then another one to get into the crevices that you may not be able to with the regular vacuum. So I'm going to show you how to use all 3. And the bonus is it comes with a wall hanger. I probably won't use this because, you know, your girl doesn't know how to use a drill. And I don't have one, but that's okay. Maybe one day if I get a husband, because this vacuum is going to turn me into wife material. Okay, attachment 1, using the first speed. This is the second speed. Side note, this is adjustable, so you can make it shorter or longer. Second attachment, you can turn it on. Clearly, I need to also spot treat this ottoman because my feet go on it. But it's getting all the dirt. The higher. And this is the third attachment. Hey, superstar. The third attachment. Hey, superstar. And this is great for in those crevices. This is the first speed. Oh, get it. And this is the second. Get it. What you think? You approve?